just invigorating. It's a one-of-a-kind experience, you know. The pictures, the videos, those will show you what it's like. But you got to be in it, you got to be in the action, you got to be going through the whitewater. You have to get in there, you have to do it.
The nice thing about the Rogue is that it's a challenge. When you're looking for a challenge, there are enough rapids that if you're looking for thrills, you'll find them.
It's just not about the river. There's certainly some stuff to see on the side. You know, if you can go up to Mule Creek or Tate Creek, it's almost like you're going to Jurassic Park, where the trees are so big and the leaves on the foliage is it's pretty neat, the big rocks.
What drew me out here is you really don't see a road, a building, a telephone pole, any evidence of the world that you've left behind.
My favorite things about the river are getting to play, not always having to travel, but getting to jump off of the boats, swim around, explore, find new things, go new places, and do it with your friends.
When you work hard all day long, to be able to really come out here into this wild and scenic area and have an experience apart from the one that you have the rest of your life every day makes it particularly special.
Well, I came here with my daughter, Shanoa. She's 8 years old. And I came here with my dad. He is 79. So we've got 3 generations here. And my dad really wanted to pass this on to another generation.
Watching my daughter has been the favorite part of my trip so far. Just seeing her come out of her shell a little bit, seeing her be brave, and seeing her meet new kids and bond with them, and then at night to lie down next to me and look up at the stars and read a book together, and you can't put a price on that kind of experience.
It's amazing to watch families out here getting to know each other and getting to know themselves as a family, and that's what I love because my dad did that for me.
Getting away from it all, getting out on the river, you slow down, you take a moment, you find yourself at peace in a way that you really can't experience anywhere else.
Seeing the look of joy, excitement, screaming with excitement when they hit the rapids, and I thought, yes, I think we've got the new generation going.
The river offers this remarkable blend of community and solitude that makes it a really one-of-a-kind experience.